Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Igusti Bagusta Parendra Dharma Wijaya with ID number 2025-32044 from Class B Information System. On this occasion, I will explain the result of my first practicum report regarding the frequency distribution table for using the Microsoft Excel. This video was made to fulfill the assignment of the statistic course with grade data from 77 students. The first step I took was to impute 77 student grade data into Excel. To process this data, I used several basic Excel formula. First, I look at for the highest grade using the max formula and got the result 87. The second, I look at for the lowest grade using the mean formula, which result in a value of 2. Next, I calculated the number of data or n using the count formula and got a total of 77 data. From these values, I calculated the range by subtracting the max and min values, so I got the result 85. After obtaining the baseline data, I determined the number of classes using Strasser's rule. The result of the calculation was 7.22, which I then rounded up to 7 classes. Then I calculated the class width or interval C by dividing the range by the number of classes, 85/7, getting a result of 12.14, which I rounded up to 13 to ensure all data was confirmed in the table. Based on the calculation above, I compiled the frequency distribution table. The table consists of 7 classes, starting from interval 2 to 14 in the first class. In calculated the frequency or Fi for each class, where the highest frequency is in the second class, interval 15 until 27, with 18 data. In addition, I calculated the relative frequency or Fr in percentage form to see the proportional distribution of the data. And finally, I include the cumulative frequency less than and more than to complete the analysis of this data distribution. So that concludes my explanation of the step for creating a frequency distribution table in Microsoft Excel. This process greatly simplifies mapping the distribution of large amount of data, making it easier to read. Thank you for attention and see you the next report of Lapra campus. See you.